Come on, my friend, Mr. Driver, what are you doing? We need the trunk open.
Hello? Magic.
It's about time. What are you doing? Fergus, you're in the trunk the whole time?
Yep, keeping these babies safe.
You can stop stroking my gun now.
Oh, do I get the rifle this time?
You wrote shotgun. You get a shotgun. It's not that hard move, Butts. You get a shotgun. It's hard. I got my pistol and my
wait.
Hey, there he is. Dobbs, good to see you, my boy. All right, let's go kill this guy.
about me.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, boys, Commander says we need to take this house now. Do any of you guys need to take a whiz? Dobbs, beefcake, buckets, butts.
What if it's in number 2?
That's what diapers are for. Let's go.
Are these the friends Mommy ordered me? About time.
Hey, Mitchell, get back.
Oh, I get it.
They'll never expect the front door.
Buckets! No! Buckets! No! All right, I got a plan. You two, breach and clear. You, come with me. Don't get killed, kid.
Okay.
Hold up.
All right, and here we have steadily taking their shots, all very focused, not knowing what's. Oh, what a horrible putt! They all just suck. This is rather disappointing to see so many golfers in their natural habitats doing such a horrible job. And I think they've seen us now, and they're growing quite suspicious. Although, yes, they have noticed us. Oh, and he made the shot. What a beautiful play.
It's okay, Butts. I wasn't that good when I was your age. Let me give it a swing, say. What'd I tell ya? Like a chop!
Do you know how to play that thing?
It's been so many years.
You sure you know how to play that thing?
Yeah, it's been many years.
Did we check upstairs? We should probably do that. I'll go first.
Good shot, kid. How would you like to replace Butts on the team, huh?
Oh, okay.